Globetrotters. Today, we're going to talk about the cost of a 3-day trip to Paris. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the City of Lights. Transportation to Paris is an important part of your vacation budget. Airplane tickets usually range from $200 to $500. Of course, it depends where are you going from the Paris, but generally our range is $200 to $500. Additionally, you may have expenses for airport transfers through taxis or public transportation. Accommodation is also a significant cost factor. Dining in Paris can be a bit pricey, but it offers delicious experiences. An average dinner at a restaurant can cost between $20 and $40. You can reduce this cost by trying street vendors or visiting local markets for snacks. For breakfast and lunch, budgeting around $10 to $20 should be sufficient. Hotel prices in Paris vary depending on the class and location of the hotel. On average, you can expect to pay around $100 to $150 per night for a budget hotel. Luxury hotels can be even more expensive. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Globetrotter Gazette, to discover more travel tips and destination guides. Alternatively, you can consider options like Airbnb for your stay. Transportation in Paris is quite convenient with its extensive public transportation network. A daily metro or bus ticket can cost approximately $10. Additionally, you can consider purchasing tourist cards like the Paris Pass, which cover your transportation expenses. Taking time for tourist activities is essential to explore the beauty of Paris. Some tourist attractions may require an entrance fee. For example, the entrance fee to the Louvre Museum can range from $15 to $20. It's important to factor in the entrance fees for other attractions as well. For a 3-day trip to Paris, the average budget per person can range from $500 to $1,000. However, these figures can vary depending on your preferences, accommodation choices, dining habits, and desired activities. Remember to consider your budget while making your travel plans. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Globetrotter Gazette, to discover more travel tips and destination guides. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care and happy travels! By the way, home is not always four walls, guys. Sometimes it is pair of ocean eyes.